By the way, how many of you get very early in the morning? 6 बजे कौन कौन उठता है? 7 बजे, 5 बजे? और लेट लतीफ कौन कौन से हैं? Okay, good. This is also a very important part of the whole preparation. I mean, always have some kind of a balanced schedule. So you're studying for 10 hours, 8 hours, whatever, and make sure that you also sleep for at least 7 hours a day. क्योंकि वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. अदरवाइज what happens is आपकी जो एफिशिएंसी होती है, जितना आप 8 घंटों में पढ़ते हैं, अगर आप नींद नहीं करोगे अच्छे से तो फिर आप वो उतना 20 घंटों में भी नहीं पढ़ पाओगे. ओके, सो इन ऑर्डर टू इंश्योर दैट जितना भी टाइम आप पढ़ाई करते हैं, टू मेक श्योर दैट इज़ वेरी प्रोडक्टिव. ओके, इसके लिए यू विल हैव टू कीप योर सेल्फ एंटरटेन्ड, अच्छे से सोना है, मज़े भी करने हैं.
वेल, स्लीप इज एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इतना सब याद करना है एंड हाउ विल वी रिमेंबर सो मच इफ वी हैव अ फ्रेश माइंड. So that 8 hours of sleep, not 12, 8 hours of sleep is very very important, and it should be given due importance because you need a fresh mind when you wake up the next day and you have to learn so much, you have to memorize so much. Khana, diet, all of this also has to be taken care of. And what sir said that we are normal people. Of course, every 15 days we need to take a day off, do whatever we like, go watch a movie or whatever suits you. So to keep you going, to rejuvenate you, to refresh your mind. So taking a day off every 15 days is as crucial as studying every day. And I always say this, that study has to be like after coaching, it has to be for at least 4 hours of self-study. Because you might take the best coaching, you might have the best faculty, but if you don't go back home, if you don't memorize, if you don't revise anything, आप भूल जाएंगे अगले दिन. So self-study, I think sir will also add on to that.
That's true. Whether we study in coaching or not, self-study has to be there. No? And also make sure that whatever you are studying in your class during the day, when you go home, go through it once. You can read that from some other book as well. Only then the classes will be of actual benefit. Many a times what we do is we study something else in the class, then we go home and we read something else at our home. But then there's no real benefit of the classes, because after 5-10 days the impact of those classes, what teacher had to say to you, you'll just forget that. So make sure that at least at your home, if there are some other things you're also reading, but make sure that whatever you study in class, you revise it at least once, or at least go through some other book, read the same topic. Keep some kind of a discipline, some kind of an organization between the two.
So how will we study? It's actually, you have to plan that. So if we are studying something in coaching, then we go back home, we study the same thing from the notes we take in class, then we have coaching material related to that topic, उससे supplement कर लिया, देख लिया अच्छा क्लास में कुछ उससे मिस तो नहीं हुआ, then we make a note, okay this was missed in class probably due to lack of time, so I'll substantiate it in my in the note जहाँ पे भी आप notes बना रहे हैं. And third, whatever is the prescribed book. For instance, in polity we all study Lakshmikant, so we'll go through that chapter in Lakshmikant and we'll see अच्छा कुछ miss तो नहीं हुआ, then we write it down again, and that's how we complete it. So the work does not end कि ठीक है क्लास नोट्स करे वो रिवाइज कर लिया. The work is more. You have to go back, refer the coaching material plus the prescribed foundation, and then your work gets complete. So that's a wholesome study.
Yes, and how many of you do make notes, of whatever you read? Notes. न्यूज़पेपर के नोट्स कौन बनाता है? न्यूज़पेपर कौन पढ़ता है अच्छे से?
बहुत अच्छे से. Religiously, regularly, diligently, sincerely.
No, by the way, why are you so less confident? If you're reading newspapers good, then why does the hand go down? We have been telling it, again, that newspapers, in fact current affairs per se, is very very important for this examination. See, we will be talking to you about, say, essay, we'll be discussing some of the questions in ethics, but again, when we talk about what is the content, where from will we get the content for writing essays, how do we develop those perspectives, how are we going to make our, writing coherent, where would that coherence come from? All this will, one major portion of it would come from, the current affairs that you follow.
And often I get this question, मैम न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने में 2 घंटे लगते हैं, 3 घंटे लगते हैं, टाइम कैसे कम करें न्यूज़पेपर का? नहीं कर सकते. 60% of prelims will come from newspaper, 60% of mails will come from newspaper, and interview is newspaper. सब इतना ज़्यादा percentage is dedicated to newspaper only, how can we reduce time on it? And it takes time, and it takes time for everyone, and you have to give newspaper that much respect. You can't cut down time. तो कभी भी अगर आपको लग रहा हो कि काफ़ी टाइम लग रहा है न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने में, तो डोंट फील स्कैर्ड दैट यू नो मुझे कुछ और पढ़ना है, बट न्यूज़पेपर इज टेकिंग अप सो मच ऑफ माई टाइम. इट हैज़ टू बी गिवन दैट मच इम्पॉर्टेंस.
इनफैक्ट आई थिंक ऐसा होता है ना कि मुझसे भी हम चंडीगढ़ में थे वन समबडी हैड आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन, सर मैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ता हूँ 2 घंटे वेस्ट हो जाते हैं. एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम, दिस इज द मोस्ट प्रोडक्टिव पार्ट ऑफ योर टाइम. जैसे मैम टोल्ड यू दैट ऑलमोस्ट 60% ऑफ व्हाट यू आर रीडिंग कम्स फ्रॉम करंट अफेयर्स, एंड देन यू आर रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर्स फॉर 2 or 2.5 hours. So 2-2.5 घंटों में that corresponds to somewhere around 50% of what will come in the examination. How come it's a waste of time? Is in fact the most productive part of your time, and take it that way. Okay? If you
understand its importance, you won't mind giving it so much time.